Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the iOS 26 battery drain. Yeah, I have been using iOS 26 beta for a long time now, and one thing which I have noticed is that the battery life has been really pathetic. Like, it is just bad. Not just on older devices, but even on newer devices, the battery life is just horrible. And I'm not complaining as such because it is a beta update. Come on, it is supposed to have bad battery life, but still, it is a bit too bad here. So in this video we are going to talk about few things which you can do to save up some battery on your device and probably squeeze out as much battery as possible. Like, see, you can't do a lot. You can't do a lot to prevent the battery drain because the update itself is just very notorious to be bad at battery life. It is not polished at all. It is a beta version. So that's why it will eventually have bad battery life. You can do few things which I will talk about later in this video to save up some battery and probably get 15 to 25 minutes extra screen on time and save some juice of your device when you are running low on battery. Okay, so the number one thing which you can do, obviously the one thing which is very important, is turn off cellular data when you are not using your device and use Wi-Fi as much possible. Like, this is not just for you using iOS 26 but any update or any device as such, because cellular data just uses so much more battery life of your device compared to Wi-Fi. So try to use cellular data less compared to how much you do use, and just whenever you are putting your phone in your pocket, just make sure it is on low power mode and the cellular data is off most of the times. If you just don't need it, just try to avoid it. Then the next thing is using dark mode on devices like except for iPhone 11, because those devices have LCD displays. For most people using iPhone 12, 13 and all these devices, you guys should use dark mode as much as possible whenever you are running low on battery, especially because black pixels do not consume any power. And try to use darker wallpapers. Just have a set of dark wallpapers combination in your wallpaper section so that whenever you are running low on battery, just put your device on low power mode, turn on the dark mode, and then just long press on the lock screen and just make sure to open the combo of dark wallpapers that you have on your iPhone. The next thing is turning off background app refresh. This is one of those older tricks, but it works amazing even to this day. Turning off background app refresh does help a lot. Then the next thing is going in settings, search for reduce motion. It will remove all the animations and that also saves up battery life. Now you must be thinking that animations, how does that play any role with saving battery life? Animations on iOS is really battery consuming. Yeah, it might be something very new to you, but does make a lot of sense if we go in detail. But that is not what we are going in right now. The main point is saving battery life. So turning off reduce motion, go in settings, search up reduce motion and turn on that. You can also go in control center and then long press, then add reduce white point. There is a shortcut in accessibility of control center settings. You can add reduce white point and turn on reduce white point whenever you're using your phone in such a condition when you can just have low brightness, because when you turn on reduce white point, it reduces the white balance and it just makes sure that your device is on the lowest possible brightness. I use it quite often whenever I'm just scrolling on my phone during the night time, because it just helps you and gives less strain on your eyes. So this is a really cool feature which I use day to day, not just to save battery life but in general, so that my phone doesn't like strain my eyes a lot. As I said, there is not a lot you can do. You should make sure that you're not using 5G, turning off cellular data, background app refresh, turning off that, and these small little things does help you a lot in saving battery life. Also, the new wallpapers, the spatial wallpapers and all those things which seem really cool, the live wallpapers, etc., those are really cool, but you should probably turn that off if you are looking for saving up battery life, because that does use a heck ton of battery life of your device. Not to forget the widgets that are updating live, like weather widgets, step count widgets, and a lot of these widgets. Those also consume a lot of battery life. That's pretty much it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. This is me, Jay, aka Tech Hyped, and make sure to hit that subscribe button because I keep on making these type of videos for you guys, and I don't want you guys to miss it. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.